In today's video, I'm going to do one of my absolute favorite things, and that's decorate my front porch for fall. I've got several things here that I've collected from different stores, and I'll list them below. But Michael's, At Home, Hobby Lobby, Walmart, all of those places have great things that you can get at really low prices. I've had a few questions that I'm going to answer throughout the video, and I hope that you'll watch. Maybe you'll see an answer to your question about how to decorate a small front porch, what to do when you walk into a store like Hobby Lobby and you're just overwhelmed by all of those decorations. So stay tuned, watch for answers to those questions, and be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. I purchased this old scale at one of our local antique stores. I was so excited when I saw this because I knew exactly how I wanted to use it. So I've got an old trunk that we purchased at, it was actually, I think, an estate sale where we got this old trunk. And so I'm going to use this on top of the old trunk, and I'm going to put a pumpkin on top of it. I think it's going to look really cute. So I've got a couple of questions about decorating for fall that I hope that maybe I can answer a little bit and it might be helpful to you. One of the things is, how do you decorate a small front porch? Now obviously I have a huge front porch and I'm really blessed with that, but I haven't always had that. And so I would say that really concentrate around your front door. Really, maybe purchase or make a wreath that is your focal point. You'll notice on my wreath here in just a few minutes that I actually took an old wreath, one of my fall wreaths that was kind of falling apart, but it had a good base to it. And so I added a sign from Michael's that makes it a little more current for today. I put a new bow and I added some more greenery and flowers, and it just really updated it. And so if you do that, you can use a new wreath and then focus just right around maybe your doormat. They make so many awesome creative doormats that are not expensive, or you can even make your own. Purchase something really inexpensive at a dollar store and then do a stencil and paint on a cute saying for fall. Then maybe some wonderful plants. Like I've got some mums. I'm fixing to show you how I decorate my steps in front of my house. And so a lot of colorful mums, and use some creative containers to put those in. I'll show you a couple of ones that I have here. So this is just an old apple basket that I purchased at a local store for $5. You can get these really inexpensive. You may be able to even find one for free. This is something else that you can use. This is just an old piece of pottery that you can put your plants in. You can also use a metal bucket. The textures, I think that's a variety of textures is something that's really important. So pottery, baskets, metal, mix all of those together and it makes a great look. So it can be used on a small scale or a large scale. It doesn't have to be a giant front porch. Just use that area that you have. Use a variety of colors on your mums. I also like to mix some lanterns into my stairs with these mums and the different containers. I think the lanterns kind of are definitely a fall look. And these I got at Home, and they were seasonal. I think around Christmas time, I think I paid about $15 for them when they were on sale. So if you watch, you can get them at Hobby Lobby at 50% off, or different stores, and you can find them pretty inexpensive. I want to take a minute to answer a question from one of our great viewers, and that is, how do you keep from being overwhelmed when you walk into stores like Hobby Lobby and they have so many decorations at Thanksgiving or fall and Christmas? And how do you keep from being overwhelmed by all those decorations and knowing where to start? And I can definitely relate to that. As so many times I've walked into those stores and I just don't know where to start, or I just start buying things that I like and I have no idea how I'm going to use them. So the very first thing I would tell you is to go with a plan. Go to places like Pinterest and find things that you like, find colors that you like, ideas, and then save that. Put a plan together for one particular space. Don't try to decorate your entire house at one time. Choose a room, choose a spot. Maybe it's your table. I start with my tables a lot, or my front porch, and start with that space first and get a plan together. See what you need. And I really encourage you to shop your home first. You'd be surprised how you can take something from one room being used for something completely different and move it to that space, and it looks completely different and it feels brand new. Try to use things from your home and see if you can use them in a new way, and then see what you need. Then go to those stores and pick out those things that you love, shop for bargains, and you tend to not do that impulse buying when you do it that way. And then come home, decorate that space, and then when you're ready, move on to the next space. Find things that you can reuse each year, get bargains, go to those garage sales and discount stores and antique stores, just like the scale that I showed you earlier. I love that I can bring that and I can use it in a way that was unique. It might not be something that you see all the time and in every store, but it's a lot of fun. It'll be a piece that hopefully it'll catch their eye and it'll be something that they might talk about and remember. So, but make it something that you're going to enjoy, that's special for you and for your family. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel.